In the battle against breast cancer, a game-changing ally emerges. Today we introduce AsymMirai, a groundbreaking, interpretable artificial intelligence model designed to predict 5-year breast cancer risks from mammograms. This innovative research, published in Radiology, the journal of the Radiological Society of North America, is the brainchild of dedicated researchers from Duke University. AsymMirai is not just another AI model. It's a paradigm shift, providing transparency in its decision-making process, a feature that sets it apart from its predecessors. It's like a crystal ball that not only predicts the future, but also reveals how it arrived at its conclusions. This leap forward in technology could be the key to unlocking a more accurate, precise prediction of breast cancer risk, reducing over-reliance on traditional methods, and improving diagnostic accuracy. AsymMirai stands at the forefront of breast cancer prediction, revolutionizing how we view mammograms and the potential of AI in healthcare. So, how does AsymMirai work? It's all about asymmetry. AsymMirai utilizes a unique approach to predict breast cancer risk. It focuses on the concept of breast asymmetry, analyzing the differences in tissue between the left and right breasts. This method is a departure from the conventional deep learning models, which are often complex and difficult to interpret. AsymMirai's method simplifies the process. It doesn't just analyze a mammogram as a whole, but instead, it delves deeper, comparing the tissue differences of each breast. This approach allows AsymMirai to predict the risk of cancer with an impressive level of accuracy, providing insights that were previously difficult to obtain. And here's the kicker. Despite this simplified approach, AsymMirai delivers performance that's on par with its predecessor, Mirai. This means that AsymMirai doesn't sacrifice accuracy for simplicity. Instead, it combines the best of both worlds. AsymMirai, with its focus on bilateral dissimilarity, is set to become a valuable tool for radiologists in breast cancer diagnoses and risk assessment. The impact of AsymMirai on clinical practice could be monumental. With its unique interpretable nature, this revolutionary AI model could completely transform breast cancer screening and risk prediction as we know it. The brilliance of AsymMirai lies in its ability to offer detailed insights into localized tissue differences. This novel approach could potentially influence the frequency of breast cancer screening, helping medical practitioners to make more informed decisions based on individual risk factors. Imagine a world where each mammogram is not just a screening tool, but a personalized risk assessment, thanks to the power of AsymMirai. This innovative technology could help to identify women at higher risk earlier, revolutionizing the way we approach breast cancer prevention and treatment. AsymMirai is more than just an AI model. It's a beacon of hope in the fight against breast cancer, demonstrating the power of interdisciplinary research and the role of AI in augmenting clinical decision-making.